Hi folks, Richard Fontenay here. Now, thank you for checking out my product review. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coach to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Yeah, that's $10,000 a month. Now, if you're interested, please check out the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the product from the second link in that description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you my 4 exceptional bonuses that I have been able to snag from my coach, Virgil Downs. The first bonus shows you how to supercharge your make money online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources, and you get them every Friday. Grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. Now, when you get an order for a high value gig, for example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and you deliver that to your buyer. And you pocket the difference in the process. The third bonus, you will learn how to create a passive income. And this is an important point. It's a reoccurring or recurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps. And you can do that without spending a lot of time, 15 minutes daily to run the entire system. Now, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. Now, let's get back to the review.
The world will never be the same after this new technology. And I don't mean to scare you. I'm simply trying to prepare you for what's coming and show you how we've been exploiting this new technology to make hundreds of dollars every single day. You see, just recently, Instagram announced that they integrated generative AI in their platform. And if you don't know what that means, let me tell you this. Instagram is about to revolutionize the entire digital space because generative AI is 10 times stronger and more powerful than ChatGPT, Bard, and Cosmos combined. It's so powerful that 42 senators in the USA are suing Instagram because of how addictive it is. That's how powerful it is. But you know what's crazy? We found a way that allows us to leverage this new technology that Instagram uses and allows us to manipulate their algorithm without breaking their TOS or doing anything illegal. We simply manipulate this enormous social network and force it to give us the results we want. How significant is it? Let me answer that with a case study. We took a brand new Instagram account with 0 followers and 0 posts. Within 24 to 48 hours, we gained 294,597 followers, generated 9,495 clicks, and made $3,594.23 in pure profit. And that's not a fluke. We create new accounts on Instagram every day and turn them into faceless influencer accounts without doing any work. We don't post any of our pictures, and we don't share any of our information. Not just that, we don't even post anything manually. All that we do is use Vista to exploit Instagram's new generative AI to make any post we want viral. We get tens of thousands of likes on any post we want with Vista. Pretty cool, huh? But it gets better. We also use Vista to turn all those followers into recurring customers. Yup, I told you it gets better. Without doing anything manually, Vista allows us to take those followers and charge them $19 every month. All of that takes less than 40 seconds. That's it. We just do 40 seconds of work a day, and then Vista does all the work for us on complete autopilot. You don't need to learn anything. You don't need to buy any expensive app, and you don't need to spend your day tied to your laptop working. Vista eliminates all of that. You can use Vista from anywhere in the world, whether it's your bedroom or from the beach. You can set up your campaigns from your laptop, PC, mobile, or even your iPad. And remember, each campaign takes less than 40 seconds. Take a look at this. While I'm recording this video for you, I made $272.35 in commissions. That's just money I made in the past 20 minutes or so while recording this message for you. Vista gives me the freedom to do whatever I want in life and still make money. It works for anyone. Affiliate marketers, product owners, coaches, service providers, e-com store owners, and more. Hey, my name is Venkata, and on behalf of my team, we are happy to introduce you to Vista, the world's first AI app that legally manipulates Instagram results by exploiting their generative AI. With Vista, you don't need any previous experience, and you don't need to do any technical setup. I'm sure by now you're wondering, how much is this going to cost me? If we decided to charge you the fair price for Vista, it will be at least $997 per month. And even at this price, it's still a no-brainer. Our average users made that money back in just a couple of days. But here's the thing. $997 a month is a big commitment, especially for someone who is just getting started. And the whole purpose of creating Vista was to make it accessible to the people who need it the most. So, with that in mind, for a limited time only, I'm willing to give you full access to Vista for a fraction of the price, less than the price of a cheap dinner, which is enough for me to cover the cost of the servers running Vista. But you must be quick. There is no point in selling Vista if it doesn't produce the results we promise. And in order to do that, we put in a lot of support for each new member. The good news is, we take each new member by hand until they get results. The bad news is, we can't do that for unlimited people. After all, we are humans too. So, after we hit our limit, we are raising the price again to $997 per month. After that, there is no going back. So if you can still see the buy button below, don't wait. You might not get this chance ever again. Listen, right now you have the option to change your life with just a few clicks. We created this for people exactly like you, to help them finally break through. And in the unlikely event that you fail to use Vista for any reason, we insist that you send us an email. It's simple. If you don't make money, we don't want your money. Not just that, we will send you $300 as a gift for wasting your time. Worst case scenario, you get Vista and don't make any money. You will still get paid $300 for trying it out. Click the button below and get instant access to Vista, plus an exclusive bundle of bonuses worth over $13,345. I'll see you inside.
Hi folks, I'm back. Just to remind you of my 4 bonuses. Find out how to supercharge your online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources. Number 2, earn income on Fiverr. Number 3, earn recurring passive income. And number 4, invest 15 minutes a day and get up to $186. And don't forget to check out to earn 10 grand a month in the first link below.